Do you see something like this and think, oh no, what am I gonna do? Well then, this is for you. Just remember these three main rules. Number one, don't panic. Number two, give yourself a lot of time and patience. And number three, don't pull tightly on the thread. So let's go. The very first step is finding one of the ends. And just like the question if a straw has one hole or two holes, your thread will always have at least two ends. So just look around until you find it. And all we're going to do is basically just follow this end all around until we untangle it all. So if you have a little tail, just try pulling it out a few times, following it through until you have a bunch of thread, which you can start winding up into a ball. Here I've reached my first snag, so I'm just pulling it apart very loosely, and here I can pull it through over there. I'm following it through all the places where it got snagged over there, and I'm just going to continue pulling until I hit my next snag. Once you've hit the snag that's already too hard to pull, now we could start winding up into a little ball. So just wind it around your fingers a few times. Then I'm going to take it off and wind it in the middle. And it's slowly going to form into a ball. So I'm just going to continue pulling as much as I can till I hit the snag. Again, keeping it loose and not pulling too tightly, and winding up whatever I took out. And then where I find the snag over there, I'm just going to pass the ball through all those pieces of thread over there in the middle and just pass it out on that way. And the next area again, just pull them out loosely. And here I pulled some more, so I'm going to wind it up. And in the next snag, I'm just going to pass the ball through all those loops over there and continue passing it through all of the loops, just following along that same thread with the ball, slowly but surely, all the way around. And that's basically all there is to it. So I'm going to switch to a time lapse of how I did it, because that's basically all there is to it. Just following along the thread with the ball and passing it through all the snags and winding it up as you go along. That's all it is. And I'm done. Look at that. Here's our sweet little ball over here. I hope you found this video useful and that it helps you with your yarn journeys. All the best.